everyone, and welcome back to Waterhouse Forde. Well, it's been a very long time since we last did a video. In fact, it's been over a month since we last posted a video. Sorry about that. The main reason was we've all been extremely ill. We all came down with a terrible dose of this flu that's been going around the UK. Some of you probably aware of it. And it literally took us out of action for 3 weeks. And we're only just really getting better now. You probably still hear my voice is still not 100%. It's also been very cold, although the last week it's warmed up. Spring's definitely on its way. And here we are on the 1st of March, and hopefully it'll start to improve. But it really has been too cold to really spend any significant amount of time in the workshop. The workshop is mostly underground, and it never gets the sun, so of course it stays cold and it gets very cold and it stays cold for quite a while. It's just about bearable now, even though, as you can see, I've still got my coat on, my big winter coat. But look, it's I think we're now getting to the point where we can probably do another video shortly. This video really was just to give you a quick update and let you know that we haven't disappeared off the face of the planet, although it felt like it at some points. And just to let you know that we are intending to continue the channel. We haven't given up, so we haven't abandoned you. But truth be told, on Ferguson we've made absolutely no progress since the last video. The last video we rebuilt the backing plate for the brake. We only did the one side, so we still need to do the other side. I'm not going to film that. It doesn't make sense to do two videos on the same topic. But obviously that needs to be done, and once that's done, then we can move on and film the next part, which will basically be reinstalling the axles. Now I know it's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to get the back axles rebuilt and reinstalled now for literally over, well, since about Christmas time, but it just hasn't happened. So hopefully it'll happen now in the next week. We looking forward to a good weekend this coming weekend, and I think the weather's going to be okay, and I think we'll be able to squeeze in a video and get that done. Not a lot else has been going on. There's been a few other projects that I've been busy with, nothing really to speak of. I am starting now with another small venture, which is to basically strip or to break mowers for parts and sell the parts. So I've been doing a little bit of work on that, been setting up a website, and I'll be sharing some details of that in the next couple of weeks as well. It may or may not be of interest to subscribers to this channel, but if it is, then obviously I'll share the details, and if it's not, well then just ignore it and continue watching the Ferguson videos. Look, that's it. I don't have very much else to tell you. I really just wanted to do a quick, short video just to let you know that what's going on, and that we're still around, and we're still intending to continue. So look forward to the next video. It hopefully will be next week. We'll be posting that during next week, because I think that we'll make some progress this weekend, and hopefully get something up for you. So keep watching, and hope to see you all soon. Cheers for now.